Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your bank account to PayPal in 2025. With PayPal's latest updates, this process is faster and more secure than ever, making it easier for online shopping, sending money to friends, or managing your finances. Whether you're a PayPal newbie or just need a quick refresh, stick around. I'll guide you through it step by step. First off, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't, head to paypal.com and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is your hub for managing funds and linked accounts. Step 1. Link your bank account. Look for the Link a Bank option and select your bank's name from the list. You'll need to enter your account details, like your routing and account numbers. PayPal uses advanced encryption, so your info stays safe. Rest easy on that. Step 2. Verify your bank account. PayPal will send 2 small test deposits to your account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Once they appear in your bank statement, log back into PayPal and enter the exact amounts to confirm everything's connected. Step 3. Time to transfer. Go back to your wallet, find the Add Money or Transfer from Bank feature, and enter the amount you want to move. Double-check the details to avoid any mistakes, then hit Confirm. Step 4. Wait for the magic to happen. In 2025, transfers are quicker than before, often taking just 1 business day, but it can vary based on your bank. Keep an eye on your PayPal balance for updates. A quick tip: watch out for any transfer fees, which might depend on your bank or PayPal's policies. Always use a secure connection when handling financial info. And there you have it. Money transferred hassle-free. This method keeps your transactions smooth and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.